I'm so excited. We signed for the house today, and we have keys in hand. I figure y'all want to see our choice. Don't judge too harshly. We actually like it a lot and see a lot of potential. It has good bones and everything is in working order. Some things have been updated in the past few years, and it's quite livable while we work one project at a time. Okay, so these are just some of the listing pictures, and I will share my own later, of course. But I just love the lot with all the trees for privacy and shade, front and back. We adore the neighborhood and are excited to meet the neighbors with the adorable pink house. This home has its own lampposts to Narnia, as well as a ton of natural light. Honestly, this sunroom reminds me of the kind Christian neighbor from my childhood. I used to water her plants for 50 cents. She had an amazing magnolia tree I would climb and a porch swing. She had a side entrance to her home that was a sunroom, and I just thought it was magical. She had a beautiful home, and I can just picture loving this one as much as I loved hers. I can make this our own. I'm excited that my personal granny style, I'm accused of, is in that adorable front door. Get it? Adorable. I'm excited to finally have a front porch again, and I can't wait to hang some tree swings. Please follow me to join this journey in 2024 from 1978. This is going to be fun.